Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using Optic. Today, we're taking a look at Optic, a company offering solutions at optic-communications.com. They provide a range of communication services, although the specifics aren't immediately clear from their minimalist website. This simplistic approach could be seen as either elegantly streamlined or frustratingly vague, depending on your perspective. While the lack of detailed information on the landing page might require a bit more digging to uncover exactly what Optic offers, it also presents a clean and uncluttered first impression. It's worth noting that the website's design prioritizes visual appeal over immediate information delivery. This might be a deliberate strategy to draw visitors in and encourage them to explore further, perhaps by contacting the company directly for more personalized information. This minimalist design aesthetic is increasingly common in today's digital landscape, but it does present a potential barrier for users seeking quick and easy access to detailed service descriptions. Optic's website certainly leaves you wanting to learn more. The lack of readily available information could be interpreted as an invitation to engage directly with the company, fostering a more personalized interaction from the outset. Conversely, some visitors might prefer a more traditional approach, with detailed service descriptions and pricing information readily available on the website. Ultimately, the effectiveness of Optic's approach likely depends on their target audience and their preferred method of communication. Whether or not Optic's website design resonates with you, it's undeniable that it makes a statement. The emphasis on visual appeal over immediate information disclosure is a bold choice, and one that sets them apart from more traditional communication service providers. Hopefully, further exploration will reveal the full scope of Optic's offerings and clarify the benefits they bring to the table. So, be sure to check out optic-communications.com for yourself and form your own opinion.